To make your phone vibrates when listed names are spoken while using live transcribe in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe down notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements. Tap live transcribe, and then tap settings. Scroll down settings screen, and then tap vibrate when name is spoken. When listed names are spoken, your phone will vibrate. Tap add name to add name. For example, go, and then tap done. If done, tap. And then if you want to remove name, tap pencil icon and then select name. Or you want to delete, and then tap delete icon, and then tap back button. Vibrate when name is spoken to names. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.